And I say, yo, the dog favor frog.
I want a tree.
Okay.
I want a tree. You know what is a tree?
A tree.
What is that?
A chicken pass, me tell you.
No, man.
And me get some.
Me tell you, say, me go fix car. No, it's a long time, I don't say me don't. Yeah, man, a long time. But you are going, we're still there. We're not going away. See? People will still there to entertain you know, the right and proper way. We don't know some little things come up where we have to just run, go deal with it and fall back in our place. But we don't know still about, right? Anyway, good news, people. My sister, she is doing great. She did the surgery and I recover great right now, CM speaker. I don't know her greatness, right? Big up God and big up all of the people who supported us, right? Anyway, we had to do a spin-off. We're in Foreign. Yeah, the movie. Remember the movie there? We're in Foreign. We are doing a spin-off now, right? So, I'm not going to call it We're in Foreign again, but we still continue the episode, right? We are calling it now Rich Ally the Liar, right? Rich Ally the Liar. See? So, stay tuned, get on the popcorn, get on the drinks. Make sure so you watch it from start to finish. And you know, for all of the people them, boy, I go get a beat, you see. All of the people them I need bad granny, you name it. Continue the episode at the segment that I'm doing now. I just there wait till it boil down to the month. Yeah. Seeing leading up to December, we can start going some continued episode. I like Bad Granny. You name it. All the movie did them man. See? But we did have to do some catalog to make sure say for the year we have whole movie on the channel, right? Big up on yourself. Thanks to the support. One Maggy Films and never two. See? Big up on yourself. Boom.
Maggy.
Yeah, them for know me rich youth. Auntie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. One which a lie. Rich and a lie. Them a peep, them a sus, them a watch. Everywhere me go, the whole of them a see a weed that. Dogs in the street, I'm in the street rat. Some say me a fool, some say idiot. But still them girl I see a me, and she know the procedure. When I see the bad ring road pull up in the town, I be a girl a down, if you know me a clown. Digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. One which a lie. Rich and a lie. Cry you. Yo, some boy if you know son of capping thing in the man. Not to your face, I'm away my cap back and front man. So you start chatting and capping. How I do the man? So if I'm a rich man, I lie you them man. Black knows some, I want to know some rich you. I'm procedure man. I laugh me, I flap you. Some boy don't know me thing you. Now I'm to the man.
Yo, milk out a coffee and easy, no brother.
Watch out, man, I can't have you fly up and down on the place, man. I have to care God this time, madam. Watch out, man, relax, man. I have to care God this time, madam, man. I have to get this sort out.
Yeah, man, but I understand my youth.
You want to fly for the rest of your life?
But I don't know me a fly, brother.
Come on, we're going to fix that, man. Relax, man. You try life.
Yo, man, the thing I know about yourself, youth.
You know about how by yourself we go, man.
Yeah.
Watch out now.
Blessed. Yo.
Hello?
Yeah, man. I wonder for the right number this man. I see the number around the place, you know. Are you...
Welcome to Quick Shopping. Oh, man, is a racist?
But hear me answer now. Are you buy the things them for the anybody want it and can I go get them?
Yes, man, I miss you, man. I mean, man. The richest thing around the place, man. I mean, then call Rich Line, man, general. I know a ball game come down. You don't know I said the thing set in, man. That's it.
Hear me I say though. Hear me I say. More you listen me now. More you buy one tie end and a ball giants. But anyway, come check me. Me write down on paper because we attack fast. Maybe you go figure it and buy defense, you know. Yo, come check me though. Me go send you the location of me there. Because me's an original mechanic, you know.
My phone can't manage the location thing, so you have to direct me, you know. Just tell me away, man.
Alright. You just forward on the main road, right? And when you see the cash pot shop, you make a left. And when you make a left, you make a next left again. When you make a next left.
I mechanic better well live around yourself.
Yeah, man. Original mechanic. Fire ranking.
Okay.
Everything burn up. Yeah, man. So, you know. But then now I finish house. I go and hold it off. But me forgot more than the people them carry in the rain, but me need the parts them. Right? Says, come right now, man. Tie right in and ball giant. When I pick up the two of them before the place locked to, you know. Hurry up, hurry up. Because look around at Jesus, I don't want to go out tonight unless I just work on the car.
Yeah, man. I'm match up on one business and part one check. Right?
Yeah, man. Cut the business short and forward, man.
Yeah, man. I'm going boy, man. Remember, I'm in here, Richard. You don't know me find a road, man.
Yeah, man. I think I see about you. What going on now? More deal is a fast and then you go back to who you deal with. Here? That one, the express. More the express thing right now. Because the people don't come for them car. More want done them car because I need that money there in the evening. Alright?
Man. Procedure, man. You talk on me, man. Alright. Come on. Tap out now, general, man.
Alright. Do that.
Alright.
Yo, Taylor. Up, my general. What's that damn sitting there turn on, sir? That's what I say, Rasta. Hey, Rasta, burn it down. Burn it down. Yes, I. Wait, what going on, Auntie? I know that, you know. Yeah, man. Alright. Man, you know. The money in it already, you know. And the name, the penny. So you go. No opinion, man. I want to drop out, man. You give the people them it. Because I don't want. You go see them. You know what? Read the penny. Take the money. Come on and overcharge you need that.
Alright. Look here now. When I go up there, so I will read it.
Just read it.
Yes.
Take the money out of it and pay for it. And keep back the change and then tell me how much you forget. Me pay you.
So do you, my general. So I know so I feel the vibes of a Rasta silk before that, so my general. Come on, see me if you turn Rasta to in a youth.
No, you see if you turn Rasta, you not go work out.
Youth.
We don't want too much Rasta in our business.
Why?
No, when you have too much Rasta, you have too much impasta. You understand? Because when you turn Rasta, you're going to be like you turn Camille.
General.
You have to ban a Rasta.
Rasta enough. And you don't tell me about no pasta.
No, Rasta can't do enough. If Rasta enough, then go do like what they do in 1963. So you see when you look at it there, we stay so we go survive it. When too much of it there, then it's a bird season.
So
and we want safe. You see me there and I work on 2 cars? Yes, me try to survive it.
Rasta, what them doing in 1963? Because right now, it a tell me, so the Rasta them did be free.
No, in 1963, them say kill Rasta on side. So if you Rasta them time there, that chim off here, because they say them a shoot you. Alright, but that a long time, we passed that, then Selassie come in 1966. No, you try to turn it in 1963.
No, man, I don't know it, man.
You know that you start talk to me.
General, watch out now. I told you don't know it, I a general, and you see for me I agree with the Rasta.
Yeah, man.
We have to all act like a Rasta too, you know?
Yeah, but not act like a Rasta.
But I don't want you to tell me about no pasta. Because enough Rasta for them about from Yasta to Alaska.
Alright, well, what if a Rasta them about already?
But pick up yourself, man, because you don't know, see business upon the car there, man.
Yeah. A good business.
Everybody in the community send me out to them, general.
Yeah, so you just send out a guy. Yeah, go on.
No. Look here, Rasta, I'm tell you something. Don't want to say that. Mr. Rich, you.
He's a rich, say no. Yeah.
Say Rich.
You say rich. Say rich.
Say Rich now.
Say rich now? Alright, go on.
Alright, watch out now. Sham man na better.
Yeah.
Okay, see me and do them.
You're on a champagne, yeah. You're on a champagne. You drink rum.
Look here.
Don't drink from a jar.
I can buy this something for you.
Yeah, man. We know you for a long time.
Yes,
Man.
sir.
Yeah, don't drink
Up at the
now.
pot shop.
Yeah.
I'm gonna went up there now.
Yeah,
Alright?
look like you're on the rum though.
No,
Got you.
I never can rum.
Got you. You're on the rum. I will make you rum.
Rasta, this man.
No, man. No, yeah, man said this is Jamaica, you know. The rum, I feel the rum, you know.
That's all, man.
I feel the rum.
I'm so far with general, man.
Yeah, man.
Believe no, man.
Can two drink I see when I drink.
Quick and forward.
Yeah, man. Do it.
Believe no, man. Prestige, I know. Rasta boy about you, man. More than. Mr. Tim, sell me cheap on a chicken party. I'm sure I get some ackee for Rasta, because Rasta not eat them a chicken. Most of the woman, this a chicken for you. Mr. Chin, no ackee. So ackee for Rasta. Chicken part. What else you say? Get some ackee for him, because I don't know. Yeah, but that. Yeah, quick shopping in the people. Quick shopping in the man, anywhere now going man. You know where you're going now. Also, we are seeing how old is that? Hello. Welcome to quick shopping and taxi work. Anywhere you going? Oh, Miss Desha. Yeah, man, I still do that work. I want to tell Miss Desha, man. I be a work, I work on the road there, man. I want to tell a chicken, I work, Miss Desha, man. Where I say, come buy some things for you. Oh, I am proud to do that. Alright, I'm coming now. You up by your shop now? Alright. Yes. I'm coming up there now, okay? Yes. Okay. One more work again, one more work on the ground. One more work. What go on now?
Richard, you always do this.
What I always
Look
do?
nice guy. Why look like
Rain a come, so I
rain
can hurry up
soon
over
come
there.
down? Look how long me they call you. You tell me you run taxi and I do this with this and that.
I say now, the whole of the place where you see about here, so I'm my response everywhere.
Richard,
Everybody gonna
me
call
know
me.
you from your ride bicycle.
And what me a push now? Look at it.
So me you put
It's
last
a
time-
Benz.
You put yeah, you have your big Benz. Big old Benz.
A Nissan man, Auntie. I know so we hide off the Benz at one part man, because we don't want to know so rich man.
Look here.
Auntie B.
Rain a come down, hold this. All of me want the on that. You understand me handwriting? Look funny good. You understand me handwriting?
You kind of right like a fuzzy still, but I understand. Everything good man, we get all of them. So you did all of these, right?
Yes.
So the money now,
See money here.
How much is this?
You can't count. And you look on the paper like you can't read.
200 euros and 1,000. That's how much money you have, Miss Disha.
Rich a lie. I want everything from that and care about me change. Because you don't give back change.
You ever hear some Mr. Robber? You ever hear some rob people, Miss Disha? Talk the truth. You ever hear that about rich a lie?
Listen. At the first me I send you out, so me don't know nothing about you. Just care about me change come.
Alright, we soon come back because you know you go. I have a lot of customers to deal with, right?
Alright.
You're gonna see me back in the fast move, okay?
Pass me I wait for you.
I know.
I'm gonna run out of stuff right now.
What is it? Yo, them people are not in body, see, man. Yeah, Auntie. Yeah, man, that's me about there, I'm a general, man. You know, so I want to word my bunks up on you now. Yeah. So watch out now. This I want to know a KE. You know, hear me, man? This I want a KE. Yeah, KE. Yo, man, now hear so good. Turn up your phone, man. Yo, you know, hear me, man? KE, me say, man. R, yeah. You hear me now? OSENE. What that? Kerosene. A two word, you know, one next one there beside that, you know, remember? You did tell me say O sound. So this one OIL. You tell me say O sound O. I what? Oil. So kerosene oil. They must talk. Yeah, man. Oh, kerosene oil. Alright. So this I wanna know. HANDLE. I want next word now JUG. I want next word now WATER. Oh, angle jug water. And this I wanna SANITARY. Cemetery. Sanitary. And the next word silent NAPKIN. How about that? Sanitary napkin. Alright. Ball game general, man. Yeah, man, procedure, man. So other one depend, man, but I don't know me get them, man. Because I can't hold up a time, man. Because I remember say a cash party I buy. Alright, my G, yo. Yeah, man, procedure. I wish I want to do it cursing, I have more curse, I know. I have more curse. Can't go shop me, I have to go get the cursing, you know. You know, can't. What you did, Mama?
There, no.
What go on, Mama Carol?
There, baby.
What you did? I know saw something. Your business are going, you know. Yeah, man, my business are going, man. Right now, my quick shopping business are going, man.
Yeah.
You know. So what you know? You don't know a napkin.
Let me see paper. Let me see paper because sometimes you look at message straight.
You know, see I follow back enough people. Why you follow back of people, Mama Carol? Me ever buy no errand fry yet for people? Tell them, man. Me know more, man. Napkin. We can't really see the napkin, man.
I see napkin round.
Oh, yeah, so napkin. Where the napkin them there?
Round the front, this one.
Hold on there. Them gonna tell us something know, man. You know more, man. Where Uncle Jug water them there?
Round the front too.
Yo, it's something we can't read. Oh, dear, man. Round that stuff.
Yes.
I wish one of them man if you buy or not. Get down, I'm thirsty, I drink out some of the chat again. Yeah, Mama. Yeah, man. Just let me pick up what I want to do.
Yes, man. Go and pick up master.
Oh, dear, man. Mama. You know what I mean? I top man. Alright, so. See that? Napkin. Angle jug. Auntie. Auntie, man. What's that now? Know yourself, man. Me know what, man. The lady must eat ramen now, man. You know? The lady must eat ramen, man. Because I don't know, you know. Because I look like, say, sitting on it and you want a ramen, man. A ramen you want, man. You know, man. You say that they're right good.
Let me see paper.
Me say, what? You know, what do you? Just send on some people to the business, man. You understand? Alright, so. The lady eat cheese too, you know. Don't know. See that? Cheese that. You know, a pumpkin.
Yes, we have pumpkins. The pumpkin over there, so.
Oh. Yeah, a little piece, you know.
Yeah, 1 pound.
Alright, wait a second. How much more, you know? Because I don't know, you know. Because I have to move on now. I have some other work for dealing. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, me 4,000.
4,000. That's at least, man. You know, rich. 4,000. Look at my mama, yeah. Yo, Bunny. Are we running road now? We're running. Yeah. Oh my God. Nice lady. You can't go shop as a lucky luck. Hey, uncle. You can't go the aisle shop a lucky luck up. Oh, alright, now worry yourself. I'll go down on the next one. Yeah, man. I'll go down on the next one. Now worry yourself, man. I know which one the next one, man. Yeah.
You see how fast I come back?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man. You see how fast man come back? I only pass something I buy for people now. What's your parcel then now?
Hurry up and come with this something them now. Rich lie.
Them, eh?
A long time they wait for you, no man. Hurry up
Yeah,
and
man,
come.
but you
Man.
know, so we have enough work to do with the people. And, you understand me, I dealing?
Yes.
Alright, so this I wanna. That the bag there for Miss Mardy. Everything in the man. I tell them man, America. Ah, di naman. May money na lang magawa na man.
How are this? How are them here? What?
Serious asset name na. See, alright, so this they did say water. Alright, and then now kerosene oil. See kerosene oil.
Which?
So I agree that curse enough people in. I can go shop up the road, me get it, man.
Rich lie. You can read?
Yo, I mean really asking that.
Me want know if you can read because when me give you the piece of paper with the items and pan it finish up, you tell me say you can read.
Yeah, then alright. Look here.
And that's why me not
You
tell
say
you
I
what
want a sanitary napkin. What is this? You say, look. You say I want a sanitary napkin, right? You get it. You say I want kerosene oil, right? Me go to the kangaroo shop and me get the lady said this can curse people. But me never know say I will be worker. You understand? So give me my money, make me go and me I go.
Rich lie. You can't read.
I see water there.
Rich lie, if you don't want me and you fi have nothing today, give me my money when me give you. Because nothing in this bag me no send you go buy.
Look here,
Me tell you say me want one gallon of cursing oil. Where you gonna buy oil if you curse people? Me look like me and walk up here to you.
so much oil, man.
Me look like me and walk up here to you. What you mean if I so much oil me want? Where you gonna buy
So
oil?
we
if
are
you
going to
go
do
curse
so much
people?
oil. Why
Hold on then.
you going to cost it so much oil?
Hold on. This a oil here where you go buy oil for curse people.
No, no, kerosene oil, let's say I want Miss Desha.
You know what? Carry them back, go to the place where you buy them and tell them say the person who give you the paper and the money say I know that they did want.
Look here.
And tell them plain and straight so you cannot read. Give me the bag. See it there. No in the bag when me tell you to buy. You not buy nothing when me tell you to buy.
What you mean me not buy no OS?
Which a lie.
This
Me-
not
me
sanitary
can't-
napkin.
Look how you dress up. Watch ya.
Let go from the swag.
Look how you dress up in a class
Auntie.
and can't read. Big dumb and fool.
You know, give me one list.
Me give you the list,
Yeah,
but when
but
they on the list, you not buy
No,
it.
but me big on a list. Auntie, Miss Desha, man. Auntie, man.
Me go want back my money. Hold this. Carry back go give people them. Tell them
Yo,
that you
yo.
cannot read.
Yo.
Come, you can't read. Take it
Yeah,
back and me
move,
want
yeah,
back my
man.
money. What me I go do with this? What me I do with curse aisle? Eh? Me tell you say me want curse in and buy curse
You
aisle.
must know you did it.
No,
You must know you did it. You said buy kerosene oil. How
me
we
never
have
tell you to buy no
Eh?
curse aisle.
You're lucky.
Me say kerosene aisle. What me I go do with them here?
Me want my money. Cause you don't pay me all down, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm not gonna go to no more shopping for Uno.
Come on, to know what me I go do
I'm
with it.
grateful.
Yes, like your mama. What me I go do with it? What me I go do with it? Making things say me have it. Me no want no curse aisle. Me no want no up there me shop.
Ungrateful and thief. And thief and lie.
A thief me money. See you no want give me back me money.
They're on the list.
You go learn to read.
Oh, my mama rich now. You feel like me have to go shopping now. My mama rich now.
Look here, you no name no rich a lie. You name poor a lie. Go on where they go. Go on which part they go, boy, you go buy curse aisle, come give me. Me look, What me I do with curse I? Richard lie, you are a wicked boy. You is a liar and thief. Girl, which part you they go? I'm want back my money from you. I go down a station. You're too out of order. You know, so you can't read and come take me list from me like you can't read and gone with it. I'm go buy the wrong something and car come give me. You're too out of order, man. I want my money from you in and I'm go like it. But you need rich alive. Damn poor alive. Poor and lie like our. You know what?
You know about game, procedure. Procedure. You know the procedure. You know a procedure. You know a procedure. You know what?
Yo, Rasta. What go on? They back in the place, my general. Yo, you come back right on time and you what go on now?
Yeah,
the people
man.
them are come on go fix up the car now.
Real, man.
Right now, right there. Rasta.
Everything in our bag, you know. I get some Auntie for you to feed today.
Yo, what is that?
A chicken pass, me tell you.
No man.
And me get some.
Me tell you say me go fix car. Me want car parts. Me say ball giants. I write pan here. Me say me tell up on the phone. Me say the phone never there work good. But when you there, so me say, where the paper there? You give the people them the paper?
Alright, watch out now. Me big on paper, me general. Me tell you that. You see this? You see Aki them full of like ball on the top. Look on the ball.
No, listen.
And it giant up.
Ah, yeah.
Well,
Give back the money.
You feel like some phone head because of
No. I say, listen now.
Well,
Alright. What am I going to do with the Aki? Me go put it on people them car.
You just tell me say lady. I said me for go a shop. So me say work brain now. Brain work up now. Me say alright, watch out now.
No, listen. No, listen.
Me say chicken pass.
No, me say my lady, me have to go shop for her. So you go buy the car parts.
But Rasta you say car parts. You say parts.
Me say parts.
If you
no,
say car parts,
no.
Rasta you not use it.
You know, listen me I say no. Me say parts. But a car parts.
You say man.
Ball giant. Me say ball giant. Me say that on the phone.
No, but you never say like a car ball giant. Can look, me say ball upon the Aki and the giant upon the next part you can eat. And then me stay a room now. What's a room?
Yeah.
Alright, what's a I'm stay a room. You eat now. Me I say that is not for you. That is for easy lady.
No, but
let me get Aki for you and the parts now, chicken parts for you. Rasta fooling.
Me say, here now.
Uncle G. Yo.
Yeah, burn it down. You have to go left your work. You have to go find something else though. This is enough for you. Because you not follow instruction, you know. I said give the people them the paper.
General.
Can you read the paper?
General, look
the
here.
paper itself, me tell you not to try first. Me tell you that, you know. But me say, you know why me say that? So me say alright then. You read the paper then, since you don't want to get the paper. Where the paper there? Where the money there? Cause this, you know.
Rasta.
I will pay money again.
Yeah, master. All the change. Then I will pay money and I get back. All the change, my general. So you get back all the 100 US and then pay me now. Pay me now.
Take 100 and go on. Take 100 and...
You can't pay me now, so yo, give me my money now for quick shopping service.
But hear me say now. You not get what I want it, you know.
Me, yeah, you never write it on the paper, good.
What is that?
Explain.
What is that?
Rasta, yo, what you mean about
all this, man?
What?
All this,
That's
man.
for you.
All
Yes,
this.
you want parts.
I have to go call the people them now. I have to go call the people them right now. Because I said I come 5 o'clock in the evening now. And you carry chicken parts come. I call them people now. Because I don't understand.
General, look at them, man. Just pay me up and I go on, man. Cause, yo, sometimes I like how some of the Rasta go on complicated, you know, man. How complicated to Rasta you?
Yeah. What am I general? Here what now? Nobody come for care till tomorrow, you know. Cause you have one call, sir, some people say them run, carry, go buy things here. And we just want to look at youth, we're saying
Man,
ever rich.
like
And it look like in the pan, so in the pan a rum tree.
Man, now want to pay me for buy the thing.
You know why man do the man buy chicken parts for the car parts them. So right now, me don't know if.
You never explain. Yo, I know you can't have a bad injury from my business in a better.
So you want to go on now, check me tomorrow. Cause me have to go walk go buy them myself out of the car shop.
Injury from my business make people say, yo, that my business done good.
Me I tell you, yo, I'm sorry about that, man. Sorry about that, man. Sorry, I know say I want the vehicle, man. I know, man. Sorry about that, though.
You never
Tomorrow, man, tomorrow evening, a morning before, they break.
You
Me
never
a step
said-
out and
No.
chat go get it. Cause me not trust none of them youth again. If go buy nothing.
You never said-
Unless a chicken parts, me go send him. But if on a food, you can't send him. Because you only know chicken back and chicken part.
Rasta, yo, give me my change. Give me,
Wait.
give me that if you give me that.
Yo,
Give
what
me
now?
that already, you know.
Yeah, what?
And put some more money.
No, you want know?
Let me go on the car. You never see car parts, you know.
Done the
This is
argument.
about my parts shop, brother.
Done the argument. How much you fear?
A 3,000, you know.
No, nobody heard that. Man, we call them commission for you.
No, 3,000 for
No.
Alright.
Listen.
Look here.
Listen.
Now. 1,000 for Gossa.
Listen now.
1,000 for come back. And
I
1,000
go
for back.
give. What is it? I'm not going for money for you. Put 10,000 here. What about? What
I'm
about?
not thank for me, general. I'm not on the long way thing, yes, in a general. Two no man. So man feel like say, yo, two no man, and if you write good pan paper and talk to people and tell them you want a shop good man. You say you want parts. You never tell me say. General, what you deal with?
What go on? You want me burn down the whole place? Me know so no. You see? You should go on.
That's the
You
way
should
you
go on. You
That's
say
the way I did it.
listen now. You say your name ever rich.
Yo, I'm not
You
ready
want
for
get
this, you know.
ever toast? Alright.
Never toast.
Straight to one more time. Straight to him come back again.
You see, what I want some pork jet, that me I telling the youth. Yo, Rasta, yo, man, I got no phone again in the youth.
Hurry up and move, yeah?
I'm telling the youth.
Hurry up and move.
Hold on, now pack up one car, load the action, jump off the stuff. Yeah. Yo, stop on the ride, you know. All over Portmore. Anyway, no man, we are there with the quick shopping same time, no people. I don't know where you're going, no man. A business you are dealing. Auntie up there. Where you reach? Watch yourself. John no star. Yo. Yo, park your bus better, no, man. I want to make man can't load in the youth. Straight, yeah. Watch on, man. Baby, you know, it's a quick shopping there, you know, man. I know you're going, man. Yeah, my people, you don't know you're going, man.
General.
Yeah, my general, where you reach? Anyway, you know, straight on, Negril, anywhere we're working, man.
Here I show about quick shopping, right?
Yeah.
Anywhere you go.
Yeah, man, quick service. Hello, quick shopping service.
You know, say a Portmore me come from, though, my general.
How are you, say, man? They want to run go Portmore to, man. No, man, I don't know, man. We run go Portmore, Kingston. Yo, we run go Ochi. Yo, youth, that's you even know me, youth. I mean, name, yo, youth, I'm rich in the youth. I mean, name, rich alive the water in my day. I want to tell my father.
No, you know, say,
What you doing?
you know, say me about orange or some weed more want, cause me I go back up tomorrow and I want to bring up some weed. You don't know which part of orange will sell the best weed.
Weed, they look to buy machine.
Yeah, want to bring up here back. Go to Portmore.
Believe them, man.
So you don't know where me can get the best weed
Yeah,
from.
man,
Me
I'm
about hills.
saying, I'm down in West. I was at them, father.
So me are here.
Yeah, man, what you say now?
Would I want to reach up there?
Oh yeah, so man, I have a whole lot of link them father. Right now, I'm not going to go orange, you know. I have a link out on the free out there, so. Them on the top, man, them on the sell the best, very best, yeah. Yeah, man.
So how much would I charge me if you go out there?
Just give me a 20 grand, man. I don't know.
20 grand.
Think, no, I'm saying no. Police up on the road and sitting in general. So you know, sir, we have to go.
Oh.
Hey, what
Yo, you sure send the police and go hold with?
No, man, you go to my general, man. I want
Make
him
sure,
for the man.
man.
Just give me 20 grand, man. I have to move the man. I work here, man.
Bro, hold on, police, sir.
Believe the man. God know. God know, youth. Oh, God, youth. I'm my first work. It's a friend, man. Come in, my general. Yo, quick shopping anywhere you go to. Yeah, my general.
Anyway.
General, me never. Yo, youth. Brother, anywhere you reach, my father.
Anyway, right now.
Anywhere you reach, my general. So, what kind of sitting grades you say you want? Like the best grades?
The best.
Alright, come in. Nah, painting, you know. You like me not painting? Oh, we have some general, you know.
Let's say that's how we get the best grades.
Yeah, man.
Go make sure, you know.
Oh, dear, my father, man. You don't have to go up in the bush again, man. Right, I say I get the best grades in man.
Let's make sure, man.
Oh, dear, man. We're not capping them, general. Yeah, man, my general. Alright, that's someone, you know.
So I'm through. Stay forward with it.
No, man. You have to buy your weight, man. I my father, man.
Oh.
He's my general, man. So what's that now? Right, you know. I mean, man, alright, that's what I do, man. The fees of me okay, gonna we ball game now play.
So father, no doctor office this. No doctor office this.
Then the man not doing thing on the side, brother, and say, man, I'm tell father. I can't read. Look, come up on the sitting, man. I'm tell father, I feel like, man, I'm time and waste, brother. That's why I buy your thing, the father and father, man.
Yo, make sure, you know.
The man have a thing, good thing in the father. How do you, brother?
Look like you sell ganja for real. Yo, you know, say, are you foolish taxi driver me ever take though?
What you mean, boy, fool? What you mean?
Yo, say that you don't sell nothing name weed, brother.
So you see, big old sitting on the sign, you see it?
Brother, just wait till me I book your Portmore, you know, brother. I try now hometown me there, you know, me know.
But me a Portmore.
Yo,
Look on the man sign.
yo, give me back the money.
You back kind of money, you idiot.
Yo, more of my money, you know, brother.
You think I breeze on this? You think I water on this? Yo, man carry come my place, so you can go like you idiot. Go raise the man, brother. Yo, matter of fact, don't even come. Yo, don't come back in a man car. I'm to your phone.
Oh, say I deal with me.
So yeah, the arm to the youth. See man, you see what mark on the man side, you see that high grade.
Me mark your face, you know.
Ganja.
We must book your Portmore.
Me, arm to yo. Arm to the boy. A style, I know a style, man, my youth.
Must book you.
Actually, I know no sense, brother. Actually, I know no sense for raise the man, and I see mark on the man sign, and I see man sell it. Arm to the boy. I'm pay that man. Yeah. So that was a good day. Day money making and day. Oh, then we can't get two more dance man there. Hello.
Auntie.
I go on and help you.
Where you go on? Where you go on, me auntie? How long time you for you, man?
Me there, I know. I call if you ask if I can take your cousin down there. Because be a badness in up here going with.
Be a badness in...
I be a badness in up here pray me. And I can't manage him. So me hear my talk father day, but I want to learn about politics. So I want to take him down there and see if I can teach him about it.
So you want me to teach him about the badness?
About politics.
Politics?
Yes.
But you know, so you know, we're bright like that, you know, and you don't know, you know, auntie. So this man now, a church boy or a mukutu you talk about? A church boy?
Yes, I be a badness in up here pray.
So church boy gone a badness now?
Me if you tell you, I say I don't.
Oh yeah, that's me auntie, man.
I don't.
So church boy how much now?
15-year-old.
15 years old.
Badness.
15 years old and I go at badness.
I can't manage him.
So auntie, you see a morning. See?
Mm-hmm.
You know, me say just him know you already, you know.
Yeah.
So just put him on a bus, see? And just tell him, just direct them. Tell the bus man to drop him off for the richest man down so. Rich alive, you see it? Because I don't know everybody know me, you know. Auntie, you don't even know how I'm rich now, auntie.
Alright, me I go put him on a bus.
Yeah man, tell him say richest youth. Tell him say if he ask rich alive. And let him off right on me order. So auntie, remember say rich alive my name now, auntie man. Remember say some name now, auntie.
That you want to change up, you know.
Auntie, me rich. I'm not talking, auntie. Shh. Don't even say nothing. You see me say, auntie? So watch out now. Send him forward, man. Me teach him, man. And only 1 week he can embrace us still doing it, car. You see it? Watch out now. Me will take him out of the badness. Me will teach him not to deal with badness. I just teach him about politics, right?
Politics. Yes.
Yes. Can you say
I want to be a politician.
Politician you want to be?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I can teach him that because I remember, auntie, when you don't know though, you know. It's when I left upper country there. I was go to a school where them teach politics and something there, you know. Yeah. That after me left Immaculate Concession, me did go to that school there where them teach well again politics they teach me down there, man.
Okay.
Yeah man, so me can teach him that, man. And take him out of badness and make him turn big politician like how you see Angie Knowles them and you know what I mean, auntie?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So send him come a morning, man. And then me send him back a country in a 1 week time. He can't stay in the house door. Make him stay around the folk up. Around the not the folk up. Side around this fight. One little room around the side of the folk up around this, but a clean room.
No, make sure you know.
Yes, auntie, man. Alright then.
Take care of your little cousin.
Yeah, man. I remember just a father fine auntie. Go back. Me money in, man. You know the ball game come down, auntie, man.
Alright.
Yeah, auntie. Speak up yourself. Here. Alright. Cool. Come on, man, how are you? Yeah, I'm not on a boy tip in my hand without showing me. Church boy! Wagwan! How are you, cuz?
There.
Say yo.
Huh?
Oh, you're 15 and you're taller than me, youth.
No, man, I grow fast now. The chemical them I put in the food, you know. So
yeah, it's too much foul, you know.
Yeah. You know, Wagwan.
Where are you, church boy?
Yeah, man. I'm
gonna get tired. You're how much inch?
Eh?
Yeah, about
5'11".
Oh, 5 inch level. You're easy,
yeah. But
yo,
I don't know why mommy tell me down here for. Tell me down here about to come out of badness.
Come here, say that one about this chain really, you know.
Hey, cuz, I have links with Dodos, you know. Yes! Dodo say, yo,
Yeah.
give me the man the number, then call me. I'm say, who this? Here, Dodos. With the American prison. I said, lie, G. Man, me hang up and run.
I can't believe you.
And me look, video call. And boss say, yo, me, you know. And I say, yo, the dog favor frog. But respect me, G.
See, I don't know say you me have to go roll. Because I don't know say Auntie call me and say, we take you out of the badness and I say, yes, Auntie.
Yeah, well, I want me to learn politics. Me don't know subject.
No, but I still have to go teach about politics. Because I don't want to ask about nothing.
Oh.
And you know nothing, but differently. You have to come to the badness road, you know.
That now leave my foot, you know. Yo, the Zuzuki, the Mazuki, the Magnum, all of them there.
Yo, you know how long more I think I can this youth?
Yo, me say me have a whole link to the only youngest youth in the lane.
Yeah.
How the biggest link them?
Cause you can't believe say you're 15 and you carry a big old air at 15.
You see how the election call? I go up the mountain. I'm say, I'm check you brown and I'm say, listen to me.
Yeah.
Lose your seat, yeah?
Lose the seat.
Lose your seat.
So yo, you why me glad now? You why me glad now, no? You can't make money in a youth. Cause what I know? So I call politics time I go on now. Then say somebody win already, you know, but you see like if Balak packs them, we can go back to them with the badness, you know. And stay as a room, you know. And make some money like make somebody else winning, you know.
No, you don't understand.
Yeah.
Two of me dog them run off with the balance box. I want over the back of the back. Come back on the balance box. In the back of the balance box.
So you know shut my ears and say boy, which Alex box?
No,
Yeah, boy.
me dog got two packets in business.
Yo, so me got to teach a little bit about politics, me mean. Cause you don't know, we can't style the thing, you know.
Exactly.
School again, what on there?
How we go for?
Now go for sit down, man. I feel me place in man. Yo, me rich, you know.
You can't make one shed.
No, man, you see a shed now. You see a shed now, it did a sign, but me such a... So me rich, me say, yo, man, if you have all sunlight out, you know. Believe me, man, yo, me soon forward, brother. Sunlight.
No, man. Cause do better than this, man.
Hold on there. Hold on
Put me in the bleach.
Hold on there, man. Hold on there, cause boy, me have a paper them in a second.
Get it.
Alright. Yeah, I know. You see politics? Yeah, listen me now. Me go write it down for yourself. Hold on there. You see politics mean the people. You understand me I say?
Politics.
Politics, you see?
I mean the people.
Right.
As in the people out there.
The people out. You don't done so. You don't done. Alright, so what I know? You see ticks part now. Ticks, yeah, politics. It mean like say like you must help the people, never leave them. Each and for the people them like a ticks. You understand?
Oh.
Yes.
But they not do it so.
They not do it so, but me only a teach how you go.
When they win, then gone in.
Then gone in.
When they want to vote, they out.
Then left for back of the cow.
Right.
So not like say like them each and now, you know, them left for back of the cow.
Right.
So watch out now. You see, you have two parties now in Jamaica here. You have the PMP. What I say?
The PMP.
That is the PMP. They go for like there is the orange color.
Oh, you mean push more power?
No man, wait for no man. That you mean better.
What do you mean?
You see this now, this is the P, as me saying mean the people.
Okay.
Right? And then now, the M mean multiply. Right?
People multiply.
By people.
By people.
Right. So that means to say like, if you have a kid now, like you have a children, and one of your children, them grow up, and then one of your children say, alright, them gonna have a kid.
that the country must advocate for them too. Like, people multiply by people means that you must advocate for them. You must have them too. Take care of them too.
Oh.
No. All right. So watch me now. You have the GLP now. A two-party now. Now you have the GLP. You ever hear him say GLP?
Yeah.
GLP. If you say you
Go lie to the people.
No, brother. No, brother, man. You can't say that. Look here, as bad as things are, you know, they cannot teach them the wrong thing like that. They cannot lie to the people like that.
So what you call it?
Alright, so you see now. The G. Listen, it's a GLP. It's a GLP.
GLP.
So if he's a GLP, that means he is a green. You're over the green side. Let me smell it. You're not GLP, but that good. Alright, so that means to say now, we say GLP. You like the people them who see green in the street now.
A GLP.
Molly and something like. You see like them people there? Eh? Them people they can get sweet up. Them a try to tell us that they can sweet them up. Sweet them up and bathe them up. Shower them up. You understand?
Yes.
Right. So they will not smell frowsy again. They will gonna have good life and all of that something and rich life. That's what the GLP said that they will do for the G green. Let the people. You understand me? I say upliftment. That they say. But all of them is for the people, you know. But sometimes like one go against one. And one shoot one kick one. You understand me? I say them fight sometime.
It's a go lie people.
No man. Remember you know, Auntie go ask them things. So remember you know, man.
Alright.
Alright, so watch me now. In the parliament now, bigger thing we are dealing now. You have the
upper lead and the lower lead.
The upper lead and the donger lead. Don't say lower lead. The donger lead. It's a donger.
Donger
lead.
Lead.
You have nothing but lower lead. Right? So now, because these people down here, the GLP them, normally fight against like the PMP them, right? You see it good?
Yeah.
They always say, like the leader now, because one of them come first, you know. The first leader that is in our Jamaica here is from the GLP side. So watch now. Instead of woman now want say, she say arrival them come up now, which is the PMP, and he say, oh, one other. And me I PM boy you say no. So he say PM mean Prime Minister. So come the word Prime Minister. You understand me I say?
PM.
PM. He must the PM. So he must say, oh no. You can't multiply by people. Me, I want to know. You understand now? Get the fullness.
And now me get the fullness.
Alright, so what's now? I that you know, right now. I'm on the time card. I work me there go now. So you say you can make some money, you can show me your badness set in a place and I don't know.
Yeah man, you can show me what I go on with the MP, I'll show you what I go on the street when the MP they link with.
Alright, you want now. See machine there, you can be a doctor and then at meantime we go like say.
How you put on the machine? Quick.
Yeah man, a quick shopping man.
Oh, you're liar, so man.
Eh? Man, who?
You're liar.
Liar. No man, a real business man. But you know to me, I rich more while you know man. I want to that is just a sham.
So,
a lie still the truth and because I don't know people them know me. They don't know me as a rich man, but me just a sham it out. I'm a do little taxi work. But what you say we are this man? You can't go sleep in a cell car. A one bed in a cell.
We take your car around so.
You see when I fall cup, I don't know bad pain.
So me left my good yard that come a fall cup. Cause of me I go to it.
Cause?
You don't know the badness.
Cause no fall no in there.
Oh.
Your piece said I make you sleep in the fall cup and fall in there.
Oh.
How are you cause man?
I say I run with the badness.
You know what, come put up the things them man. Sure.
Hold on. So you have on two different parties. We don't understand this.
I just tell you a thing over here, there, brother. Watch out now. Yes, so when you see PMP them, the whole up the sound.
Right.
Yes, when I say GLP them.
But look here. Look here. How this go?
That's what I mean. Hola. Just hold on upon this one.
Ah!
So you're saying that you say PMP them.
Me hold up, so.
I want to say GLP, yo.
Hold up, so.
Hold up your seat. What you want to do now? You say fear trade. I do work with one idea. No?
The badness.
Yeah, man, the badness.
Yeah.
Man.
No, you're talking. I'll show you how you do it. So you sit down in front, pick up a passenger, right? And you have to act chimble, you know, because if you don't act chimble, they're not going to believe.
Julie, me go get this something them fish shop. Me soon come.
You're genius, man.
Yeah. So they're going like me, I rob you too.
Yeah.
And you just relax follow protocol.
Yeah, really rubbish in you.
Right. So if the driver say, yo, pass, if I say pass the money,
Yeah, me just chimble up, man.
and pass the money, you'll get it back. But
You know to find the people.
anybody will take up, for their money we
You know to find them, man. Yo. So watch out now. Come in, hold up the seat. No, yo. You have to hold up the back seat like you're missing people me pick up.
Alright. You're smart, you're smart.
Auntie, man, I must be rich in the man. Then
Rich alive.
you can't rich, man.
Rich alive.
Yeah, man, that's what they call me down a cuz, man. But yo, all I go on, man, I can't believe say 15 I look so old, you know, man. No, I don't know this.
Too much chicken, too much chicken, too much
Too much
chicken.
foul, you know, yo.
Chemical in it, chemical.
Yo, today. Yo. So one hand I'm a general. Yeah, man. Oh, go on, Auntie. Where are they, lady?
Me no joking with you, you know. Cause a joke thing you depend, you know.
You have to have forgiveness in you, man.
No, me have forgiveness in me, but not for you today, one at a time.
You have to, chairman.
One at a time, me forgive you, not today. Look here. No forgiveness for you today. Me tired of you. And for your little shop foolishness them. Me can't bother with it.
Come on, man.
No, me need another taxi. A taxi I run.
Yeah, me.
Taxi Negril anyway.
Yes, me must
It don't look like you go anyway.
Channel, man. I am most man.
Taxi.
Alright, so yeah, you spend the money with me in the taxi. You spend the money in the taxi work we are shopping with.
You don't look like you go anyway. Me no want you run no taxi for me again to go and no shop. When me send you to go buy, you not buy and you not come back till much o'clock.
What
so
you doing?
If take another taxi.
What you doing?
Me a come in a taxi, fi go take another taxi.
Alright, come then. I'll make sure you have the money.
How much you drop me in a town, by the way?
3 bills, man.
Fi just go right there, so?
Alright, give me 2.
A long time you thief me money, you know. I notice that every time me give me money fi go buy goods to me shop, you know, you carry back wrong change, come give me
Yeah, go on, sir.
and still charge me for on top of it. You.
Channel, man. Yo, Desha, come in the car, man.
So come back.
Sure.
Sir, go up more man, me come in a car. Oh, this a man open up himself in a car so like a girl.
Yeah, man, dumb, man. Easy with yourself, man. You say,
Alright. In dumb.
man, dumb youth.
Me not fi chat to him, sign. He must understand this. I wonder if this a man look like he no baby coming like me, he no coming in your car.
Yeah, bother with that, man.
You know, say, what kind of man, what kind of dirty clothes them passenger them?
Yo, you have to style the passenger them, sir, man.
And then me have to go sit down, which party in this sit down?
Forward, man. You see, man, dumb. Hey, man, dumb. How man fi be good and sitting there? How man for whole rock and sitting and the man dumb? Auntie, man, you dumb thing. You must have dumb this, sir.
Me come out of your car, you know.
This, I can't believe you move dumb thing, man.
Me will come out of your car. You think a free drive me a beg a pay for this?
That's cool, man, this, man. Auntie, this, man, and I love style people, you know, man. That's why.
I want smell so. I put pepper, man. The brains are blue and the smell sitting thick.
Don't nobody pay no money, man.
We are
Watch out. Don't me have gun, youth.
Give me my purse.
Don't me have gun. Yo, listen to me, man shoot you. Listen me, you saw a gunman hold up. You hold up your hand. See there, look there. Oh dear man, don't fight back gunman. Sorry for that, my general man. Sorry, we can't move. Jeez, I'm sorry about that, general man.
Richard like,
Yo. See, make your man go rob me now, man. Alright, my general, where you say, go on. Alright.
Richard like,
Yeah.
me I go call the police and save you here.
Yeah, tell Sydney say you rob me and go with me here.
Yeah, me I make them save you. Me I go
gosh,
call the
man,
police.
I see you
Me
can't
go
talk too
save
much.
you. Jesus Christ.
Yes, man. So badness to me, general. Yo, if we can look out, how much money in that press? Jump. It's coming.
Study badness go.
Yo, how much money in it?
Hold on. Bamba, come on in. Yo! Yeah.
Yo, cause
Money!
a long time we don't have no youth.
Hey, hold on. Take up money. Count money.
Cause come in, man.
Money for this.
You say we can do. You say we can match out, but 4 more of them are for you there.
What you mean?
Put this back in your bag. Or 4 more of them are we are chop for you there, right?
Alright, cuz.
Cause you're tough enough, cuz.
I tell you.
You're tough enough, cuz.
Money for this.
Cause youth, actually never know youth.
You know what?
You know yes, but you don't know you're going there, cuz.
Just tell her I say, me rob you. And it's free.
No, you're not gonna tell her that. Me can't go tell her that.
What you gonna tell her I say?
Me I'm gonna make people tell her that.
Oh,
Come here, you see it?
right. Listen.
You see it?
Tell,
That me have to go do.
I'm fine excuse to tell her to say you run, you have to run apart now.
Then watch on, cuz. You see when me reach all long as so. What you want me to do? Shut out the car and then
Run for this.
I could make some more money, man. See, I'm a fat lady down there, man. So,
Yeah, man. Give me your food.
Negel side, down in the town.
She not come, man. Find somebody else.
Yo, down in the town. Yo, Negel town, yo.
Long time.
Boy, all your boy.
Him not no money.
Money still up. Breadfruit, them man, now hustle, brother.
No, me not deal with it. Tomorrow me a plan to deal with it.
Julie.
Hold on, I'm so call about now.
Julie, come on, 5 phone. You know, farm here run fast. Julie, then just rub me down the phone.
You remember I rob you?
Me take one taxi. Yes, Rich alive. Rich alive. No, Rich alive. No, Rich lie.
I lie at you.
Rich lie drive the car. You remember saying run taxi? One dumb man in the back of the taxi sit down with me and the dumb man stick me up. Yes. Have me under gunpoint and take out my purse. Me not get to buy no grocery. Then gone with Jesus Christ. Richard like gone with them. Me don't know if they go analyze him right now. Do me a beg you call the police because me not no credit. Jesus.
You don't need credit for call.
Me not no credit.
You don't need
119. Call you put credit on your phone and call you. Are free. Me name member. Call them do. 119 not dey on my phone or 991. 119. Call it. That not dey on my phone. Call use for your phone. Call it for your phone and 119.
You know the pan neither. Go on in.
No, call Jesus Christ. Make somebody go help them. The taxi gone way long so. The man stick
call
up.
Pinky and ask Pinky.
The man stick up Richard lie. And gone with him. Oh, jeez.
Hello. Girl, I smell something shall I go through? The other day, me no hear say my fly now, then gone with him, go rob him. Might as well analyze him. Alright, hurry up and come. Me don't an auntie shop as a man. Me sit down on the chair. Alright.
Yo, me love how we are going, youth.
Straight up and go on.
Everything and make already, you know.
Yo, me I tell her, say, this and no.
Brother, me love how you are going, brother.
This one you up, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, my boy.
Long time you fit down here, youth.
badness. Yo, watch a shopper.
Yeah.
Stop on a shopper, I'm buy a juice.
Alright, yeah.
Keep the engine on, you know.
Just buy one for yourself. Me have one already, you know.
Alright, just keep the engine on.
Yeah, man.
Service. Roll. Drive, man.
Yo, get easy, because you don't want to school off for because
You're going in a country and buy chips. You must be mad. You're not free.
yo, because it's easy, because
When we upset, tell them how to pay them things.
what you mean?
Chips and juice.
Yo, because you're a bad boy in a youth.
What do you mean?
You're a real tough youth, you know.
These are just simple things. See
Yo,
that?
because somebody tell some no one to just give me one Pepsi, man.
Don't worry about that. We don't see the what.
I know a lady and I'm so kind.
You know business.
So yo, me have to go do them.
You see her with some big kind of money, we could take it. To our old lady, we just take it chips and juice.
Chips and, I'm money, you shouldn't take your chips and juice, better.
No, man, our old man, we just love him. We can go and make some more money.
Youth, you're tough in a youth.
Yeah, man.
Youth, have to
When
go
you are
live down a youth.
You rob the young, because the young, then we have strength to build it up back.
You have to go live down a youth. Me I tell a youth. I know how long I know me Sophia and he never give me nothing yet, youth. How do me Sophia, man?
Don't worry, me down here, man. Anybody where we always know one game, nothing Africa run here now.
Alright, watch how I go on. Yo. Alright, we are top round this and just eat them chips and juice and just.
Hold up, wait a minute. I see me coming through. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. Bitch, I'm feeling brand new, cause I'm big business. Hold up, they gon' know us when we show up. We got it bustin'. Yeah, that's so us. Ay, and let the butterflies swing. Yeah, ay, I start bling bling. Yeah, up on the call, so it's not us.
Yes, you're going now. You know, you're sitting down, Richard. Gunman stick. How do you?
Give me a chair. No, for me, I want to come from. Give me a chair. Alright, then me slung in your lap. Because you call me, so me slung in your lap because I not turn up. Where say I'm now? Where say?
Richard lie. You see a man, you remember man?
Jesus, please.
Taxi man.
What they got Richard lie for?
Me don't know, me not yesterday stick him up. One dumb boy me say na back at her. I rob me auntie too. Me auntie just run come here. Rob him and take one purse. And I go see woman left to go by now.
My tick. No. Fun and joke aside, you know. Fun and joke aside stays. You see Richard lie come like my best friend, brother.
A good youth man.
You get me I say? Richard lie come like my best friend, so what me do? Me have to go try to help him, girl.
Help him how? Me not get none of them business. Me rate him also sorry for him, but me help him out.
When we there on Richard lie gonna make we laugh.
No, make me laugh.
Richard lie gonna give you joke.
Hear about
Richard lie gonna carry everywhere we want go.
Listen to me. Richard is a good person to do, you know. But you remember so when I tell me he couldn't find the airport.
Don't we still enjoy ourselves? Don't carry back our yard safe and sound.
Only thing me can do for him, I call a report. Yes, that's all me can do.
Call the police and make us see if we can help him. If you don't want to help him, we help him because I'm my friend that.
So no call me a call. Tap in his miserable so. Hello? Yeah, me a call for report one crime. Yeah, about one taxi man when you reach a lie.
Give me the phone.
Yeah,
Hello, officer. Yes. Good evening, yes, sir. You know the man when you reach a lie. Yes. The same one that wherever they pan the roadside, them and over here, sir. Yes. They kidnap him.
One dumb
Officer, how me know who kidnap?
One dumb man.
One dumb man kidnap him.
A maga boy.
So can make officer laugh at me. Listen up.
But when me hear me say dumb man.
Alright, me go get some more information and call him back. Yeah. Look what I made the officer laugh at me. Sorry, so me take your phone from you. What you mean by dumb man kidnapping man?
I want me auntie say I want dumb maga boy will sit on my back, stick them up with one gun and push her out of the car and go with Richard lie. What does she say?
What's in your heard?
You know, some should in the shop, you know, because you see any home, you must shop, you see any home, you know, that they carry the, I would have known if you dumb. I would have known if you dumb.
Enough for that,
Oh.
enough for that. What happened to your niece? Your niece there?
My niece gone over, girl.
She didn't get back her passport with them teeth?
Yes, so go along. You know?
No.
Oh, hello. My niece did have to get back that, you know.
Because what?
Because you would, oh, me say everything good, man. Normal pre. Me just tell her, say,
You remember?
you can get back in passport.
But
But anyways, call back, go find out some more information about what go on and call back if you need them.
Get up. You get up and go and go find out. Go on. I feel your friend and you and him make you laugh. Go on.
It's alright. I look for me. I look for him.
Go on. What are that? I'm here one day in a life too.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself, yeah? Don't worry yourself. Yes, when I see Richard lie, you go and go back in the car. You look a dirty girl. Worry yourself.
When you see me coming through, wait a minute, hold away, yeah.
Got leave some badness out in the town, you know?
You see all the goat there, we could have just take away and Christmas and come in and ram it.
Hold on, that's true, boy.
You no big it, man. Go on, you no big it. Well, left him. Now I make no money.
Can't hurt, man. You can't sell for all 40 grand, you know?
No, man.
Yeah?
My teeth big goat like them, they never hurt nothing.
Yeah.
I tell you.
And a goat badness still, you know?
No.
Thing big and
Cash
too.
badness. We don't want teeth, no teeth, no walk and sell.
Yo, when a teeth goat, you want?
A cash no want.
Oh, dear brother.
Cash and snacks.
Yo, some boy I forgot run left all them big house to give away in the youth, because them don't know we, you know.
That's true, you know, them house look good, you know.
Yo, you can't up on the road front, so brother, man, the people them see a youth.
Yes, Gus. Yes, sir. See up time. Everybody money in that. Yes.
Youth. A long time for young youth.
Yeah. I'm around long now, sir.
Youth, man.
I took my phone dead.
Youth, man, I go back to country in youth. Hold on there. I walk out, man. Hello? Auntie? Walk on, Auntie. Yeah, man, in good, man. I teach him about politics thing. They are there, man. I show him about how politics thing go on. You know? Yeah, man, in good, man. You know, I some fall we have pluck and sit, you know, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, a good youth. Me, my baby self, man. And I'm not even going to run no taxi and do no shopping business today. I yard me the whole day, man. Auntie, man. Yeah. See him right side of me, man. You want to race with him? Auntie, say you want to talk to them.
Yeah, mom. Yes, mom. But I learn everything, mom. I learn everything, man. Yeah, the PMP is for the people. Yes, mom, yeah.
Multiply by people.
Yeah, multiply by...
Yes,
yeah,
no people them take care on.
No.
GLP them.
GLP, General and Lion.
No. I know that, brother.
Oh,
Give me a foot. Auntie, me never tell him that, you know. No, me never tell him that, man. No, me go fix that, man. No, I tell him that the two party them, right? They take care of people, right? And I teach him what the GLP mean, and I teach him what the PMP mean, what they standard for. Yes, and all of the functioning that they do. Alright, so I'm going to spend a little more time with him on that arrangement there. And then make him learn more in that section of the arrangement. Yes, and I always tell him that if you're going to choose one side, then just choose one side. You can't be about it. That is what I tell him, Auntie. He knows that. Yes, Auntie. Alright then, Auntie. Yeah, man. In good, man. Yeah. So later then, Auntie, because we are going to clean out the fall cupboard now. Alright. Yeah. No, so we will check out, clean, if Auntie not easy now, you don't know front jokes so much. Yeah, alright, later then, Auntie. So we need to go check out a while ago, you. I mistake, man.
No, so we come back into the badness.
Make a big old mistake a while ago. Alright, so watch out now. Them are in a bag or so. Enough more than in it. And so much money some woman they have youth. So when I run shop down so and then I want to pay up all the while youth. So how much me I get? Hold on man. Alright, watch out, it's like when you just start work. See, you have alright, see any work where you start though. You have to work like 2 weeks before you start get paid.
And that's no, madness one o'clock.
No. It's not easy, look at it. Let me show you something. You see they even going to the hotel in Boston. You see the hotel in Boston now, you have to work like 2 weeks and then you get paid. But you see like how we're doing this now.
Me overqualified, so my money comes every time.
Alright, hold this. Hold on this man. Alright, the old lady where they hold on pan that, where they rob now. The old lady in a blue shirt. She never really have enough money. She did have 7,000 pounds she. I wish pocket man put them on. Oh, hold on. How much money old man did have? No, me I get more. How much money old man did have?
45.
And that's so much money they have on him, man. Yo, check yourself if you are none. Come not just saying up, church boy. Church boy. How much old man did have?
45.
Me ask you again, brother. 45.
Look at that money. Look at that money. Look at that money.
So, 25 you give me my youth.
Oh, look at that money. Look at that money.
Brother.
Mistake make, man. Mistake make. Mistake.
Yo, you see you're tough. That's why me. How about this, sir?
I don't know.
Church boy, how about this, sir? How I feel so in the honest? No, church boy, if you go up and rob you hide off the money them church boy. How much money you hide off church boy? Just I'm telling you, 25 you give me, no brother. Still say old man they have more money, brother.
No, like that.
You're a criminal in the youth. You're a thief or you're a criminal.
But tell you already, you know. You have used to this.
Both are sitting with them sale and see youth.
I feel. I hustle.
So you
me know you don't pay me short.
My gas are burning now. I don't know, 90 alone run my car. But I buy a 92, 91.
I mean, I show you, but
listen me now. So that means me I spend enough money. So you say when me make out of this, I forgot go back in the gas. You now put none of the profitation them pan nothing. And me I spend the money to buy pan the things them.
Alright, no problem.
You understand me I say?
Yeah, I spend
and me I spend money on the extra things them to make a business run. So you cannot thief me.
Alright, I spend the money. Spend the money.
So all this. Alright. Today was a good day, youth.
You think of that more ask you? You think of that more ask you? You know the broom?
Okay, I did, bro.
You know the folk come molly.
Say no shit, ask the bro, man. All pa broom there, man. How are they?
So you did it.
Man. See party now and go see. Yeah, right now I'm going to go all the rest because we have to go up on the rear, come on.
Bad man now use broom without ticking.
Church boy, yo. Go ahead, man. Now rest up, brother.
Not like
it, brother.
Not like it, style. Rob me and then no, yeah.
Church boy, you a child me, youth.
Hold on, this a phone. Oh, I don't feel your phone. Remember, sir, I may pull up on the woman.
You know man talk?
No, man, I feel my phone this man. I may pull up on the woman. That's because I take it from the woman, brother.
Alright.
I'm on in. We go back here, yeah?
Alright.
All I hear, go get the money. So I go get it. Hate means I do something right. So I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. All I hear, go get the money.
Me tell some
So I
so
go
call
get
you.
it. Hate means I do something right. So I'ma let him.
I told me no want Auntie do business with me.
Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head.
Stop there, son. Me come over here later and when Auntie got sick. Auntie love chatting now, you know. Auntie can business the road go tell all pam them and them people there.
I want to be, let me tell you, what make you itch up in the bush there, so girl? You talk and the first thing you do I go so. Turn your back on roadside so.
I thought me talk from phone and what happened?
No, me get some information, you know.
What kind of information now?
Go Richard Lai, brother. You know say, he dumb man, wanna chat about. Him, Richard Lai, they apart.
I believe that.
Girl, look for me now, here. Him and Richard Lai, they apart up and down the road. One of my friend, hire Richard Lai other day. Say if he can go get some weed at Orange Hill.
Weed at Orange Hill?
Yes.
So Richard Lai go buy weed too?
No, listen, no. Hold on, no. Hold on, let me finish his story, no, girl. Guess what Richard Lai carry him?
Why? Orange Hill?
Doctor. Well, you know Richard, so Richard Lai, yeah. You know what him
around the whole place before he
and so come the boy find out, say, Richard Lai a liar and thief. And him and the dumb boy plan up everything. You understand? Yes.
So then, you know, carry boy Orange Hill?
Come like a song
when he got doctor?
Go ask the weed. So remember say Richard I hear that you know. So Richard go a doctor now I look for weed girl. And Orange Hill is supposed to carry the man go. The man hire him.
Orange Hill. And he take the man money. Just like when they do no. You know the airport and drive around the whole place you do no.
Nobody go there.
What that thing they do no?
But you know say our friends same way.
Yeah, but I think Richard I do that. Richard, I really can't man got doctor office got for weed. Why this I come? I don't know what to say.
Remember say no. One did tell Richard I say if he carry go where the place name? What the place name?
Airport.
Where Richard I carry go? Richard Lai circle round the whole community before. And we still never end up go because Richard Lai say in belly star at him. We have to end up driving car. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why, man?
Okay, but still different that Richard a good boy you.
And now him and the dumb boy do it.
Richard a good boy. Me can't believe say. But me can't believe say Richard a go thief do. Me just
So let me ask you one question. That the dumb boy the way my par with, where he come from?
Me don't know you know. But me know say a whole heap of apps him and Richard a go pan. I be a thief, them a grown and thief. Yeah. So watch you know. Remember say I no kidnap Richard you know. I plan him and the dumb boy plan you know. You saw me more twist because I love business tomorrow. Me dey have to figure the business.
So plan and rob my auntie.
Yeah, so you better learn.
Idiot when my auntie run come here him then stick up and take away in purse with the whole of money if you buy the shop goods them you know. Then that's how Richard I really a go on.
Hey, come!
Man, let me catch a call.
You are going now.
No, but
I still have come to the scene just a chat out of
you know go on baby, go back here. I don't want to hear news.
Me can make me go buy 2 bags juice and I want to see. Eh? No, I'm here going to the shop.
So you can't hold you like give me.
After rob me money and go take out the auntie send them for free. Me know your style. Come on.
So now me auntie place me
let me see say you spend the money for true.
I spend it. Yes, Auntie!
Sir!
See the badness I go? Park him. Park it.
Yo, man, I mash up, brother.
Hold on, I'm mash up. I'm mash up. Right it.
You love bag juice much. When I drink bag juice.
You didn't know I take out money because you hold your woman in there.
I mean, auntie, me can't hold me auntie. Me can't take anything.
You hold him, you kind of pay down your money. Is that
Bad.
you hold your man.
Bad. I mean, auntie, me can't hold me auntie. Me can't get anything more than that. Who done? I chew you are conscious and can't get no for trust.
So you watch some rich alive.
You're lucky. At least I'm a family place.
Fly by day, fly by night. Watch him. It's alright, know yourself.
Hold on. I walk on.
Yes, Auntie.
What is the church boy on there do?
Church boy. Church boy side of me, a church boy now, there's nothing, Auntie.
Listen to me. We need to visit up church boy in our yard early morning tomorrow. Munchie call me and tell me see a beer rookie in the house and name me something.
No, Auntie, no. What can I go tell about breaking the house and then sitting, Auntie? No, we're not doing the message.
Listen to me. Send up church boy to me a morning. No, me can do that day.
Church boy, it's a church boy. Yeah. You do the message there. No. Church boy, no do that, Auntie. I would dirty liar that tell like on church boy, Auntie.
A taxi we are run.
Auntie, man, nah do that, Auntie. Man, nah do that, Auntie, man. Man, a good youth, Auntie, man.
So you're trying to say, I like Munchie tell for him.
Munchie a dirty liar, Auntie. Yo, you see, I would keep on corruption like a Munchie, man. I would keep on full of corruption, man, like a Munchie. You know Munchie?
Yeah, me said, well, me need church boy to come up in the yard of man, you know.
Munchie, I ain't fun, I mean, Munchie just, the bad mind to you see me and the youth in my car, Auntie, I go up and down and I live like a big star. Auntie, because I tell you some rich and them things, Auntie, a bad mind along. You think I know Munchie bad mind me?
Bad mind.
See church boy side of me, you man not do nothing, Auntie. I ABC and I teach him, man, because he want to learn to read. And I teach him about politics already.
So
And the man say, get church boy phone. The man say, he want to pass a big high school, Auntie. Remember say, man, no. Oh, you did figure high school already? In the figure high school already, Auntie?
If he did figure high school.
Oh, I'm 15. So in the figure high school already?
In a high school.
I wish high school I got church boy. So in here, so then kick him.
Yeah, that's actually true of the badness. That's why they kick him.
Yeah, but me I say, true my the badness in high school. That's why I say he want to go to another high school. So me I teach him now so that he can pass a pet. Me I teach him now that he can pass a pet now. So he can go to a better high school.
Listen me, me don't talk, you know. You see, if you don't make me come down there, I go pretty, you know.
Alright, talk to him. Make him tell you. He not do nothing, man. He good, man. I will not him go up on the road. Say, hold the phone.
Mommy, me good. You come like you want me come back up in a separation. Me alright.
I'm kind of foolish, then let me hear say you done there go and wait.
What me I do?
Hey, man, nah, I do nothing.
I'm in a place and them something there.
That's why.
Hey, man, Auntie, hey, man. Auntie, yo, some people wicked in the youth.
Me not broke nobody. Me only take.
Yo, you know.
Me only
You know,
take taxi. Me only run taxi.
You run taxi?
Yeah.
One fool, man.
Yeah, we only run taxi. But the one thing do make me sleep in a full cup.
Auntie, I told look at her. Yes, I told me not be in the room on the next side yet. As me told me they tell us the bank will roll on pass some money for me, Auntie, you know. So me just put the foul on one side and him sleep one side. But me make him sleep out. That's like where foul dude on him and it just sitting them in there. That's in there. But in good man, because me eyes up here for the ground.
But I make sure so my feeling good enough.
So Auntie, he can stay or if he still come up a morning.
It's if you come up and sunrise the morning.
That's a dirty Munchie, man.
How you name Munchie?
You don't know Munchie, man. Munchie, man, little lady around there. So where you see after you pass the shop and go up, so. I wish he cow them there.
Mr. Robbery, man.
And the donkey. Yo, shit.
Ooh. Rubber.
No, rubber. Oh, you talk about rubber for my youth.
Rubber.
You talk about it's a rubber for.
No, I mean,
Man, fool, Auntie, you hear me say?
Me not hear what you say.
Oh, you know, that's the reason, the reason, man.
No, me not long talk, you know. Send him up on the bus morning.
Send him up. Alright. Yo. Alright. Yo. Alright, Auntie.
man. Not like that. You see a woman there? I should have. We spare the woman, I'm saying, rob the woman in the man.
Yo, youth, I shouldn't even. Yo, youth. Go we start make money now, youth. Go we start make enough money, youth.
Already, me not go up. I want to make some more money.
Yo, but Auntie now got cost, brother.
That's true, you know. I want to pack my bag here, man.
No, but tomorrow you must say, no.
No, I go home today. I only rob for nothing. Every time I rob somebody, I take off 100,000, look for a man and give him 3 or 4 grand.
I know if it's money ever make. I'm tell you, I know if it's money ever make. I'm a foot come make that too.
Oh, when me upside the dad, then me make a million.
Million?
Yeah, ask my mama.
So we make no million and a 500,000 they make already and you can't make one little million.
You rob me. You rob me. So me robber, so you rob me. You come like me, I work for Synax.
Then what money do you do in your shot? That's all.
Come here, I put it for insurance cause I see what happen. When I put it there, so you didn't give me a little bit at least. But that. You see,
cut the fool in this man. Don't
worry, I go from the bag and left you. Where so you put me in a fall club?
Yo.
Rich alive.
Yo, cuz. So really I go to the youth?
What do you mean? If you didn't pay me good, would I just duck mommy and I go home?
Because I'm not even beard off for shoots and youth.
Me good man, me good. Me sit down in a chunk back by my yard. Me alright. See when I come here, I see when I go back home. You see, then they squeeze out the money them and I give me a little bit.
Yo, hear me I say now. So when I go up youth. So that's when how much more years you have turned 18? 15. You are 15 now?
Yeah.
15. 15 yo, when I turn 18, brother, yo, watch now. Then can't give no attack. Watch now.
Oh, me have 4 years.
4 years. 15.
4 years.
15. 7. Alright, watch now.
Look, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, 4 years.
Alright, them I know that yeah. But me just sometimes 15, I just don't want.
16,
alright, watch now.
18.
Yeah, but the certain you catch 18. Auntie can't give no talk youth.
Me know.
So you say you're 18, come back down as a youth.
Now come back.
Then time I bill and upstairs, up there so. You can sleep up there and AC and then something that go there night.
No, you're talking. No, you're talking.
Remember, man.
Now go up to go explain the politics to my friend.
Yeah, but I know what I want. Yo, watch out now. Alright. Me get green bush, man. Yo, cause me say no youth.
Alright.
Balance the thing, cause.
Yeah, man. Me hide it.
No, man, balance the thing, man. And just do a thing on road, cause I don't know. You see me?
And the green win, you know, so I have to balance. You see,
yeah, they win, but you don't know we are balance the two of them, man.
No, I beg money, you know.
Oh, yeah, cause you see Martin, youth.
Yeah.
You see two green win. You have to go on like say a green win. A green, you're depend.
I'm begging money.
Yeah, man. What cause?
I'm still with my boom box, you know. When it's my turn to use it, I come for it.
Oh, the music, I jump on that and I look more cause, man.
Yeah. And the other money when I see take from that and that boom box, I'm thinking in your pocket, I still know about that. So I'm going to feel like this. Hold on. You didn't see that? What do you mean? May I read that? It's me, you know what?
Alright. One of your stuff. You see you know this. Make sure say no.
A thief will always see a thief. You know?
No, I'm not thief. I'm rich.
You know that
and a lie. One rich, a lie. And I want third point, you know.
Right.
Pick up yourself with a cause.
Yeah.
Make sure so when you're 18, I don't hear that.
4 more years.
4 more years.
4 more years.
AC, we are AC up in place. You see me?
Yeah.
Believe no, man.
Leave the light on for me. Oh, honey, let me down slowly.
You must die, yo.
I've never
I'm going back to all quick shopping business youth. Come on and make the money out. Taxi and quick shopping again. Taxi, mommy.
Boy, yeah, I don't really need a taxi.
Oh, you're a tourist. What's up?
I'm the one looking for a tour guide.
Jamaica, no problem. You know,
Every time.
No problem, you know.
Every time. It's beautiful.
Yeah, man, it's beautiful, man. Very beautiful about here, man, you know.
Do you know a place called Dunn River?
No, them place, man.
You know it?
Yeah, man. Wait there, you want go there?
Yes.
No, man.
Okay, thank
man,
you. I'd love that.
Man.
You're not going to charge me too much.
No, man. It's the rate. It's the right rate I'm gonna charge.
Okay, I trust you.
Right, how are you, man? You have to trust me. Hello. Big up yourself. If you need to go on a tour, you can call me too. Yeah, man. How are you, man? I'm in name Richard, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You don't know. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. It's alright. Over here, someone round us around the corner up there, you know.
That's Dunn's River?
Yeah, man. Dunn's River, man.
Oh, you got Burger King too?
Yeah, man. Burger King over Dunn's River side, see you, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I know a ball game set up, man. So we are just go on the far side, you know. Yeah, man. Say it done.
I was just gonna ask, where is the falls?
The falls around the man, but there's the two. Alright, I'll show you where I'm going when we reach out the summer.
Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, the birds as well.
Yeah, enough bird over there, man. You see all them big dirty bird there? I'll be a fish there eating, Auntie.
Okay.
Yeah, man. If you take a one stone,
yes,
and fling it after them. Yeah, man, enough of them fly like that. Not too love fly business. Go now.
So where exactly is the falls?
Falls. So you don't know what's now. Alright, you see the falls now. The falls where. Alright, you see them boat now. You have to drive go by falls. I mean, I really have no boat link like that. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the falls are right around there, so when I go up around the corner and go up more, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So do you want to go up your foot?
Yeah, but I thought Dunn's River Falls was in St. Anne's. St. Anne's. Are we in St. Anne's now?
Hey, I was telling the police about Dunn's River that St. Anne's.
Really?
No, man, I niggle them, man, right? That's someone. Say over here about niggle, them two never sing about niggle, man. Everything that niggle is someone.
Oh! Oh!
Okay. See river nice river there, man.
Yes, it's beautiful.
I Dunn's River, see all the Dunn's River boat. I Dunn's River boat them there, no?
Oh! So why is it called Dunn's River? What's the history of here?
Water.
Oh,
What you say, Walaga?
what's the history? Why is it called Dunn's River?
Why is it called Dunn's River?
It's a sea.
Say no, what's now? Dunn. Alright, what's now? Duns. This is Duns. You see, like if in Jamaica they say if you're Duns now, that means you don't know enough something. So that means now they don't know a lot of things that is going on in the river, cause like mermaid and there's something in a river. And you see falls. Sometimes like river mama go up in the falls and come down from the Duns River Falls.
Wow.
And enough people have wondered say what, like only bright people can know. So you see if you're bright now, you will know what going, but if you're dunce, you don't know. So they call it Dunn's River.
Dunn's River.
You pick it up now.
Now I get it.
I say, go man, but the falls are queer. Queer, you know what is queer around here?
Wow.
Queer around say falls, man, and, you know.
So it's the falls.
Yeah, man,
right?
the falls. Alright. So you see falls now. I say things set, man, cause enough tourists can't go up by falls, you know. But like for me, Reggie now, in drive a boat there with the red pan, you see the red there?
Yes.
The red. I am normally can't go up by falls, man.
Oh, is
But
he
so-
about?
Eh?
Is he here?
Is he here?
Yeah, do you see him? Can we go on the boat to go to the falls?
No. Like, you see boat now, you want clean. See, like, you John them pan it. See, all for John them pan both side, you want clean up. So, in a really, I can't tourist pan it, kind of want you catch no, like, no, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. What
That's
I could
a
do,
shame.
man. See, bird them, I tell you about, man.
Yes.
So, what I know, me go carry go up on one attraction now. I want a tree. I want a
Okay.
tree. You know what is a tree?
A tree.
Tree.
So what's
What the-
special about this tree?
White, the tree is white and the tree is 10,000 years old. So 10,000 years old.
Okay.
So 10,000 years old now.
Okay.
10,000 years old. Say that now.
10,000 years
man,
old.
Tree old man, so we can't carry go up there. You want to see it? I was at Jamaican attraction, you know, big Jamaican attraction, but like, I take more money to go up there, sir.
Is it far? Is it much
No,
more?
man, I right up there, man. It's when I go up the street and go in the roundabout and go there, sir. Go queer back up, you know. Me can't go there, man.
All right.
But you only take one little bit more, you know.
All right, but I trust you not to rob me, you know.
No, man, no rubbing, no, man.
All
If you
right.
ever rubbing, come on, man.
Okay.
Hey, look here, man, I rob people, me rich, you know. Me don't really have to do the America, me them call rich a lie, yeah? As
Okay.
me told you.
Okay.
Believe.
All right, let's see this great tree.
Procedure, man, a 10,000 year cheap, man. Yeah, man.
Interesting.
I tell you, man. About 5 minutes at the road, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Right over there, sir. Right over there, side, but me park you, sir, you know.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, man.
Off the road.
It's a park, you sir, you know.
Okay. It was close.
Yes, man, I want to say, man. Over there, sir. See the tree over there, sir. We are over there, you know. Yeah, man, come here. Boy, go like you want to lick a while ago. Hey, I'm a run boy, you know, man.
You got bad drivers all over the world. In England, they're worse.
Yeah, man. Boy, I have to tap one time I cross road, man. Them know some rich in them, man. Yeah, man. So see a chair.
So this is the... What's so special about this street other than it being old?
Oh, yeah, man. You wanna... Alright, you see the chair now. Come, sir. Come, sir. Come, sir. Come right here, sir. Good evening. What go on now? Good. You have no money for you.
I left this in the bag.
You will say, alright, me go spend this up first. Cause you have to give them my money, you know. Like, you dump with them up there, you know. Say 50 here. Say 50 here, I'm a general.
See you gone down there, sir? You see that? If you ever touch it, you see if you ever touch that, you never go back up America side. Hold it up your whole hand, you know them way there? Alright, so watch out now, make that turn this up. That's for them.
Okay.
So you see the tree now? 10,000 years old. This tree bit. How much years old?
10,000.
10,000. You see that? Never in your life you never see this yet. Allow me to tell. 10,000 years old. And you see like this type of tree now, they call it cedar tree. You understand?
Oh, this is a cedar tree.
Yeah, this is a cedar tree. And you see cedar now, they can use it to make like furniture and all these things, you know?
Okay.
But no boy cannot touch this one because this is 10,000 years old and you think a little bit of cedar cutter people try to cut it down man and end up with them, that's all them you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, come go down look more now.
You sure?
Yeah man. Hold on good now. Come on. Go so like take a time. Take a time now.
You sure we can go too close?
Yeah man, you can't go up there man. So you see that?
What?
One eye up with them. Look right
Yeah.
good. Look now. You have to go so. Go so with that hand. You see him? The little part them on the hang long so you see it there?
That's a duppy?
That's a duppy.
As in a dead person?
Yeah man, like a long time man, but you see him. Alright, look again. This one more person. That's a duppy.
What, that part there hanging down?
Yes, it's a duppy right there. But you see too.
That's not a duppy. That's a tree branch.
I will tell you where you come from. You know what is a Jamaican duppy?
That's a branch. That's broken.
That's not a branch. It might look like a branch, but it is a duppy. If that will harm you like, it will. Don't do that. Alright, so make you go further now. I'm gonna let you touch a tree that is 10,000 years old, and that is gonna cost like, you know what I will tell you around there already, right? And they tell us they're gonna cost you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna let you touch a tree that is 10,000 years old. And you gotta go back to America and tell them, say, boy, go back to Jamaica and check for Rich Alive, right? Rich Alive.
Rich
is my
Alive.
name. You're gonna tell them that they must come and check for me, right?
Okay.
And then I will carry them on the store like I carry you. Go to Dunn's van, you cheat them and, you know. So come on. Remember to tip for your toe a little bit. Take your time now. Because like, you don't want to wake up the baby up with them, you understand? So you have to take your time. Come, go and go touch it now. So you touch it?
They touch it.
Touch it, make me see you again, man. Don't afraid, man. Look here. 10,000 years old, right now I'm touching. Touch up only with the whole full front part of your hand, yeah. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Touch a tree right now, it's 10,000 years old.
Mm-hmm.
So, that is the end of the tour now. So we're gonna go back up, so.
Okay.
And you just pay me the money and, you know, I'm gonna give him a number.
Yes.
On a business car.
Yes.
And you can send a friend them from up a foreign. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
man, a ball game, man. Procedure, man. You know, you enjoy yourself.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, dear, man. I saw me there, man. I want rich line, man. Rich, man. Yeah, man.
I can't believe I touched a tree that's 10,000 years old. I can't wait to tell my friends.
Yeah, man, you have to tell them, man. So rich line, I go show you one tree with 10,000 years old.
Wow.
In Jamaica right here, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, I least that, man. Remember, say, hey. Let me tell you something, man. That me responsible tour in a nigga. You have to tell a friend them that, yeah?
Yes, definitely. I found the right person.
Remember, me tell you, man. I don't know capping, man. You know what is capping?
No.
I'm not talking about this cap on my head, you know.
Okay.
It mean like I'm not joking, you know what I mean?
I get it.
Yeah, man. Hello, welcome to Quick Shopping. It is. Yeah, man, you know, start tomorrow, I'm work though. Yeah, man, I'm not working now, man.
Yeah, they are rich like that. So, I want to see him, give him a link.
Ah. Yeah, man, we're rich, man. So just show me a man, man. I'm not up on the working thing now. You see me?
Oh, that rich lie.
Alright, wait.
Alright, David.
Hold on, let me talk to him. Yes, mommy, look a bit. Show me back tomorrow, man. I'm done right now. Alright. Yeah, man, remember we're rich, you know, man. We don't take talk, you know. So if you don't want to call me back a man, you don't have to call me back and use my company. You hear, mommy? About the bad, man. Procedure, man.
No, rich lie, man. I can't your mother here talk to so.
No, you're mad, man. What you do, yo? What you do, fine foot?
There, my friend, I go and hold them. I'm going to do a long time, I see, man.
There, so where you dealing? Where you did that with?
So up on the road, I say I make a one step go.
Believe no, man.
You know,
and I place, I say I go buy one bad shirt and one bad pants, you know?
Boy, I saw you do it.
Believe no, man.
You have them clean daily, you know. But watch on, man, me and my calling us something in the street, I don't love me a year, you know. You know, love me a year, man. I hear say man them from town come down, you have to buy weed and you rob up him and them thing. And even carry man them on my foot and you know say me a weed man same way.
Yo, me.
Nobody go on like a not true man, like a shed.
Yo, fine foot, me not like how I pray man youth.
Let's say I rob up him and them money man and even carry man them on my foot and you know say me a weed man and me a here come from far.
Fine foot, me not people youth.
Deny man, go and deny. Me don't go try to prove nothing.
Where you get them argument from? What you mean? Yo, you know easy, you know, brother.
Remember, say me a street man, same like you, know, man. I plant weed too, you know, man. So, me know what go on in here, you see me?
But yo, what you say here? What you say really?
All you say, all carry man go a doctor to buy weed. Me have to laugh. I said, John, no, doctor.
Me can't, brother, me can't man go doctor to buy weed.
That me a hear, you know.
Yo, fine put a life, yo, yo, don't tell like for man, yo.
That me a hear, me just right now, me never like how you behave, not true, me a hear a friend, you know. Me go and cuss and go and bad, you know.
General, I know you plan weed. I know, so I ask the man, say, where you want to weed? Say, yo, you want me to go up a hills up or some of my region?
So you go and like say
no,
so.
No, me, what?
So you go and like you deny it?
No, deny. Me I tell you, say, what I know? The man say, man, father, I put on, man say, I want to go buy some weed. So I say, me have a couple of bridges up the road that sell weed. And the man say, yo, I'm afraid you. I'm afraid you. I must say, my friend, them. Bad down there, you.
And even carry man on my foot and me have much weed. Me a weed all a while for me.
You know you.
God no, Bill Joe.
I'm stay some woman and want carry man go to the doctor place. Because I might have start doing things on the side. And I see on the big sign, man. I want my brethren show me it, you know. And tell me, say, where, you know.
True.
And show me, say, sign.
No, me feel a way, dog. I swear, I have much weed all that.
No, man, that's why the doctor is convenient. It's true, that's convenient. Look a bit convenient to me, man. So I stay in a room and just eat the food fast and stay in a room. Because I have a couple more business. You know I think.
So what, you can't carry man on my foot next time?
He out there. You see him out?
He out from town, a crazy weed man then buy a shipping man then ship off weed in man.
You see him out?
See him Rasta nigga man.
Him man a Rasta. Yo, you know what I say? Me have a link for him, man. You see him out, I can't go to the doctor. So.
See him out, you can't go to the doctor.
Yeah, man.
Weed.
Me have a link to him, man. He say, yo, I'm going to come back in that place. He take me number. So anytime he come back, man, you know?
Just make him man link me, dog. Come on, foot, man.
Believe me, man. So where the pan, brother?
Then me there walk the road, dog. So I can
stage, man.
Weed me I sell, you know. Weed in a bag, I see.
Yeah, man.
Go and hustle some weed, doesn't it?
Man, you must say that get some more white people and sit, man. I want, you know, right?
Them never come on my foot.
Yeah, man. You know where you go. So, yo.
So where you pray for buying a night, yeah?
You know what I'm saying? I go to and them thing of weed.
Can't buy twice a weed from me.
No, no weed, I'm general, man. Yo, me buy a shirt and a pants and some general.
No say I heard.
Tell me.
You link up, man. Big up yourself, man. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Alright.
One frozen, man. One bad. One frozen dog.
Yeah, them for know me rich youth. Auntie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga which a lie. One which a lie. Rich and a lie. Them a peep, them a sus, them a watch. Everywhere me go, the whole of them a see a weed that. Real thugs inna the street, I'm in the street rat. Some say me a fool, some say idiot. But still them girl I see a me, and she know the procedure, When I see the bad ring road pull up inna the town, I be a girl a down, if you know me no clown. Digga, which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga, which a lie. I know two which a lie. One digga, which a lie. One which a lie. Rich, and a lie. Cry you. Yo, some boy if you know son of capping thing in the man. Not to your face, I'm away, me cap back and front man. So you start chatting and capping. How I do the man? Yo, if I'm a rich man, I lie you them man. Got know some, I want to know some rich you. I'm procedure man. I laugh me, I laugh you. Some boy don't know me thing you. Now I'm told man.
You start chilling out now, okay?
Maggy.
Hold on, go on like son now. Subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with the pan. My son. I train a yet, but I run down. Boy. Now yourself, mama. So, now, yo, you. What's on? They subscribe to Maggy Films already? No. No? Where's the no? No. Oh, you say what? No, you say boy.